Hi guys, welcome to Code Divided, and today we are back for a maximum depth of the binary tree. It's a new code, and we have already solved this type of similar problem channel to check that out too. And this is a very easy. What they're asking is they have given binary tree. We have to find the maximum depth. Maximum depth is the maximum number of the number of nodes from root to the leaf node, which has the max how to find it. This the maximum node can be 1, 2, 3, right? So our max will be 3, right? So we have to find it. So it's very easy, right? Just we are going with the basic approaches using recursion, just recursively going to the left node and the right node and finding which has the maximum. That's it. That's all we have to do and just increase the counter. So it's a very easy level. So I'll just go with the code directly. So first will be the base condition. If there is no root, just return 0, or else what we have to return, as I said, we have to see they're asking the maximum. So maximum depth in the sense you can't see this, even this is the depth 1 2, that's the depth, but the maximum depth is 1 2 3. So we can't take any depth, right? So obviously when there is maximum we have to take a max, and we have to iterate recursively, that is say go to left and also go to right, right. Then what else we have to do? This is not enough. What we are doing, just going? No, we have to increase it, increase the counter as well, right? As we get the solution, right? So that is it. However, there will be a max. If this is the case, 2 will be stored, and here 3 nodes. So 1, 2, 3. So into 1, 3, 3 will be displayed. That's how this will work. So let's run this. It has worked. Let's submit. Yeah, it does work. So it was very easy question, and I hope even you have solved this question too. And for more videos, we check our channel too. There are a lot of videos which we have already left. And yeah, stay tuned, keep coding. Bye.